guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jenny's Outlet here as usual. If today is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'll be taking you guys along as I make my oatmeal the way I like it. So these are the ingredients I'll be using to make this yummy oatmeal. Here I have my oatmeal, which is the star of the ingredients. I have strawberries, apple. This apple, I'll be using it to cook the oatmeal, but this particular strawberries and kiwis will be for designing, like making it look appetizing. So here I have my cinnamon gives it a different flavor, and I have my chia seed. Honey is for sweetening, and I have my almond milk. Right beside me here I have a saucepan of water. So I'm just going to bring the water to a rolling boil. Then I will go ahead and add my oatmeal and add my chia seed, apple, cinnamon, and let everything cook properly. Then I will show you guys what it looks like. This is my oatmeal. I actually like this oatmeal from Nigeria. Like, this is the oatmeal, the texture I was used to from Nigeria. So I actually love this particular oatmeal. The only thing I did show you guys was a pinch of salt. I love to add a pinch of salt to this. Just a tablespoon of this one. Okay. This is the chia seed, just a tablespoon. My apples, just because I like it a little bit crunchy. Cinnamon, tad bit. So this is it. You can eat it like this if you want. Okay, you can actually have it like this. This is oatmeal and chia seed, almond milk. You see, that's what I'm gonna add to it. Just a little bit. Get on the iron. Give it a quick stir like this. So guys, this is the end of my oatmeal video. If you liked this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your family members. This is the way I enjoy my oatmeal on the days I'm feeling a little bit healthy. This is what I eat. I eat for breakfast. Please like, subscribe, and all that good stuff, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye. See you soon.